Are you looking for the best eGPU? In this video, we'll break down the top eGPUs available whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best eGPUs on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Razer Core X Chroma Aluminum External GPU Enclosure. If you want to boost your gaming experience and bring your laptop's performance to a whole new level, this Razer Core is a core item to buy. It boosts laptop's performance enormously. Customizable RGB lighting ensures more than 16 million colors available. It's capable of syncing with gameplay and other Razer peripherals through Syncscape 3. Now, as for Windows compatibility, it will require Thunderbolt 3 external graphics support with RS-45 or later and compatible AMD or NVIDIA cards. For Mac, it also requires Thunderbolt 3 and High Sierra 10.13.3 or later with compatible graphics cards. GPU's max power support goes up to a blazing 500 watts. The charging goes through Thunderbolt 3. Simply plug it and play. It has an aluminum body and a bunch of open vents. This provides optimal thermal performance, which is, needless to say, highly important for any GPU. At number 2, we have the ASUS XG-Station-PRO. This stylish and sleek dock will easily connect to your Ultrabook or other Thunderbolt 3 equipped laptop to the other thing these machines need improved, desktop graphics card. ASUS managed to produce top-notch GPU at an affordable price. You can render videos, build deep learning apps, or run scientific models with it. It's got it all. Looks great on any desk. It's not bulky and heavy, and most importantly, it has a magnificent cooling system, which effectively reduces thermal inconveniences and improves performance. With a completely redesigned aluminum chassis, 330 watts internal power supply, it will deliver all the support your graphics card will ever need. Customizability is simply astonishing. It can run with an NVIDIA GTX 900 series, 10 series, RTX 2070, 2080, and AMD Radeon RX 580, RX 570, and Pro WX 7100. Besides, it is macOS certified with Radeon RX 580, RX 570, and Pro WX 7100. Overall, a nice piece, not expensive at all for the quality it brings to the table. At number 3, we have the Gigabyte AORUS GTX 1070GV N1070IXEB 8GD eGPU. If you're looking for something that's simple to install and gives amazing results, Gigabyte has something for you. This GPU is simple to carry around, and it provides not only a great graphics-intensive game experience, but even better VR experience. Furthermore, it has 3 USB ports for peripheral devices. Great compatibility coming from the AORUS GRX is nothing less expected, as the company managed to fit almost everyone's needs. RGB fusion is usually admirable, with up to 16.8 million customizable color lightings. It supports up to 8K display at 60 Hz. It has a unique blade fan design with 3x cooling system. What's the 3x cooling system even mean? Well, Gigabyte went one step further and put 3 pure copper fan blades that together deliver great thermal protection. Moreover, there are LED indicators that will provide an instant display of fan status. At number 4, we have the Sonnet eGFX Breakaway Box. Increasing the GPU power was never easier. Sonnet's eGFX demonstrates how a simple plug-and-play opens the gates of innovative video processing to your WinPC or Thunderbolt 3 Mac instantly. Amazingly fast 40 GB per second interface makes sure that the full PCIe bandwidth is dedicated to your card. The power supply is at 550 watts, which supports up to the 375 watt card with up to 8-pin connectors, and it can charge your laptop with 87 watt power supply, which is pretty cool. What comes in the box is a half-meter, 40 GB Thunderbolt 3 cable, Thunderbolt 3 port, and it supports 120mm X1 water block coolers. The compatibility is, simply said, great, and it supports a lot of AMDs, starting from RX 470 all the way to 580, including Vega 56 on Macs with macOS High Sierra. As for Windows, the compatibility might be even wider. It supports NVIDIA GTX 1060 and newer, Quadro P4000 to P6000, and a bunch of AMD Radeon cards, like RX 570 and newer, WX 5100, 7100, etc. The cooling system is quite cool and really quiet. Variety of cooling speeds make the system fully adjustable and remarkably effective. Moreover, it supports liquid coolers, which enable higher overclocking. At number 5, we have the Akitio Node. If you are looking for the perfect and inexpensive chassis to house an external graphics card, this one might be of use. It connects to your laptop via Thunderbolt 3 and instantly boosts your laptop's performance to a level that only high-end PCs could achieve. The time to rendering the footage will be drastically shortened. Even a PC that couldn't run VR is now not only ready to start it, but provide amazing experience and quality of the VR image. Much higher frame rates are guaranteed. With blazing transfer speeds of up to 40 GB per second, you'll surely enjoy an unseen performance. It's quite spacious, so that even larger and, of course, standard-sized graphics cards could easily fit in. Furthermore, it has built-in SFX power supply of 400 watts, which will provide additional power to the GPU. There is enough power for both graphics cards and Akitio Node. If you see that that's not enough power, you can use additional connectors that are inside Akitio, which will provide a phenomenal 390 watts of power. You can even remove the back panel if you have double-width cards, 4-lane PCI Express 3.0, and a carry handle to easily transport the device wherever you go. As you can see, the manufacturer thought of everything, and all of it for the user's best experience. At number 6, we have the Gigabyte AORUS GTX 2070 gaming box. If you're looking for real-time ray tracing and AI, then this one might be your primary choice. All it takes to have this beauty installed and running is a PC or laptop with Thunderbolt 3 port and support for external GPU. It works with various cards and devices, but it offers the best performance when synchronized with other AORUS devices. Moreover, it supports peripheral devices with 3 USB 3.0 ports and power delivery up to 100 watts. It's easy to carry around as it's quite small and compact. Being so small doesn't take from the cooling performance. On the contrary, it offers a huge fan, fully customized with 130mm large blades. Not only that, but AORUS provided a phenomenal cooling system for all key components of the card. VRAM and MOS FET are fully protected, and a stable overclock operation is ensured. Needless to say, this increases the reliability of the GPU, making this investment for you a one-time thing. The cooling system is quite as well, so your gaming experience remains flawless. Core clock works at 1620 MHz, while the AC input is 100 to 240 volts. And for our final pick at number 7, we have the MANTIZ Venus MZ02. If you were trying to create a gaming PC out of your weaker laptop or PC, this enclosure might be of use. All you need is a Thunderbolt 3 port on your laptop, so make sure you have it before purchasing. It will easily connect 2.5 PCIe desktop power GPU to a PC with an Intel certified Thunderbolt 3 port. With the power of 550 watts SFX PSU, it will support the cards up to 375 watts. Besides, it will provide nice charging power to the laptop. Wide range of compatible devices makes it suitable for any newer cards, such as AMD RX 470 up to 590, Vega 56, Vega 64, but keep in mind that none of NVIDIA is compatible. When it comes to PC laptop, it supports a lot more cards, such as NVIDIA RTX 2060, 7080, 80 Ti, GTX 1050, 1050 Ti, 1060, 1070, 1070 Ti, 1080, 1080 Ti, Titan X, XP, V4P or AMD RX 570, 580, 590, Vega 5664 on Intel certified Thunderbolt 3 laptop with Windows 10. So that sums up our top eGPUs of 2020. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.